Hi, just a short video to show you this Shark Lift Away vacuum cleaner. Comes in good clean condition. I've taken it all apart and cleaned all the filters. It's in full working order. Everything's been cleaned. The filters are nice and clean. It's best to clean these filters, it tells you here, once every 3 months. Now the unique thing about this vacuum cleaner is it's a 2-in-1, so you can well, I'll show you basically. So turn on the vacuum cleaner, the head won't turn, and then you press the button here, so there's a switch for carpet and hard tool. The other side is the lift away release and the wand release. And to actually make it work, just tilt back. Now if you get any tangles on the bush bar, press these 2 tabs either side, opens up and you can pull it out and easily clean it. There is another filter under here which is all clean. And it comes with a combination accessory tool. To empty the tank when it's full of dirt, lift this up and you can carry it away to the bin. There's a latch on the top so you can get in through the top, and there's also one on the bottom to have access to the bottom. It's collection only, it's only due to the size of it because I've got nothing to pack it in. Thanks for watching. Oh, this is model number NV601UK-31. Any questions at all, please ask. Thanks for watching.